Hey everyone, and welcome back to English class. This is the place where we make learning English feel less like a chore and more like a fun chat with a friend. I'm so excited you're here today because we are about to supercharge your daily conversations. Are you ready to level up your English and start sounding more like a native speaker? You are awesome. Let's dive right in. Today, we're unpacking 10 incredibly useful English expressions that you can literally start using the second this video ends. These are the phrases you'll hear in movies, in songs, and in everyday chats. Mastering them will make your English sound so much more natural and fluent. Let's kick things off with our very first expression, what's up? You've probably heard this a million times, right? What's up is a super casual and friendly way to say, how are you? Or what's happening? So, next time you see a friend, instead of the classic, how are you? Try a cool, relaxed, hey, what's up? It's a great way to start a conversation. You can respond with not much. What's up with you? Or you can share something interesting that's going on. It's versatile and very common. Moving on to expression number 2, no worries. This is a lifesaver. No worries is the perfect, easygoing response when someone apologizes for something small or when you want to tell someone not to stress. For example, if your friend says, "Oh no, I'm so sorry, I'm 5 minutes late," you can just smile and say, "No worries, I just got here myself." It immediately puts people at ease and shows you're relaxed and forgiving. It's basically a cooler way of saying, it's okay or don't worry about it. Now, for our third expression, and this one is essential for clear communication. I got it. 3 simple words, but so powerful. I got it means I understand. You can use this at work, at school, or just when someone is explaining something to you. Let's say your boss is giving you instructions for a new task. When they're done, you can say, "Okay, I got it." This shows you've understood everything and you're ready to proceed. It's clear, confident, and efficient. You can also use it literally, like if someone tosses you a ball and you catch it. You can say, "I got it." See? Very useful. All right, let's keep the momentum going with expression number 4. Hang on. This is your go-to phrase when you need someone to wait for just a moment. It's a bit more casual than saying, "Please wait." Imagine you're on the phone and someone knocks on your door. You can say to the person on the phone, "Hang on a sec, someone's at the door." Or if a friend is rushing you out the door, you can say, "Hang on, I just need to grab my keys." It's quick, easy, and everyone knows exactly what it means. Next up, expression number 5, and it's one of my personal favorites. That's awesome. This is how you express genuine excitement and enthusiasm. When a friend tells you they got a new job, or passed an important exam, or are going on a cool vacation, a perfect response is, "Wow, that's awesome." It's so much more energetic than just saying, "That's great." It adds a real punch to your reaction and shows you're truly happy for them. So, what's something awesome that happened to you this week? Think about it. Let's move on to a phrase that we all need to hear sometimes. Expression number 6, take it easy. This is a wonderful way to tell someone to relax or to not work so hard. If you see a friend who is stressed out about exams, you can say, "Hey, don't forget to take it easy and get some rest." It's also a very common way to say goodbye, similar to "have a good day." As you're leaving a friend, you can say, "All right, see you tomorrow. Take it easy." It's warm, caring, and versatile. Ready for number 7? This one is fun. You bet. You bet is a strong, enthusiastic way to say of course, or you're welcome. For example, if someone asks, "Can you help me with this?" you can reply, "You bet." It shows you're happy and willing to help. Or, if someone thanks you for a favor, like, "Thanks so much for the ride," you can respond with a cheerful, "You bet." It sounds friendly, positive, and confident. Okay, on to expression number 8. Sounds good. This is probably one of the most common phrases for making plans. Sounds good simply means, I agree, or that's a good idea. Your friend texts you, "Hey, Want to grab pizza tonight around 7? You can just text back. Sounds good. It's the perfect, simple way to agree to a suggestion. It's efficient, agreeable, and keeps the conversation flowing smoothly. You'll hear this one all the time when people are coordinating with each other. Now, let's talk about a feeling we all know very well. Expression number 9 is, I'm starving. This is a very common exaggeration we use in English to say I'm very hungry. You wouldn't say this in a formal setting, but with friends and family, it's perfect. After a long day of work or school, you might say, what's for dinner? I'm starving. It adds a bit of drama and humor to the simple fact that you're hungry and ready to eat. And finally, our 10th expression for today is a fantastic way to say goodbye. Catch you later. This is a casual and friendly alternative to see you later. It implies that you'll see or talk to the person again soon. As you're ending a conversation with a colleague or a friend, you can say, all right, I've got to run, but I'll catch you later. It's light, friendly, and very common among native speakers. Wow. We've just covered 10 fantastic expressions. What's up? No worries. I got it. Hang on. That's awesome. Take it easy. You bet. Sounds good. I'm starving. And catch you later. That's a lot. But they are all so useful. Now, let's do a quick practice round to really get these phrases into your long-term memory and to work on that pronunciation. I'll say the expression, and I want you to repeat it after me, out loud. Don't be shy. This is how we improve. Ready? Let's start! Repeat after me. What's up? Excellent! Now, no worries! Great! Next one! I got it! You're doing amazing! Let's try. Hang on. Perfect. Now for some enthusiasm. That's awesome. Nice. Let's relax with this one. Take it easy. Good. Next up. You bet. Almost there. Sounds good. Okay. Imagine you haven't eaten all day. I'm starving. And to say goodbye. Catch you later. Fantastic job. Everyone. You've just added 10 essential phrases to your English vocabulary toolbox. The key now is to practice. Try to use at least one of these expressions today. The more you use them, the more natural they will become. Thank you so much for joining me today in English class. I had a blast, and I hope you did too. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next lesson. And hey, why not share this video with a friend who's also learning English? Let's help everyone sound more confident. Leave a comment below using one of the new expressions. I'd love to see what you come up with. This is English class, where we learn together. Keep practicing, stay confident, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Bye for now.